Huh? Huh?
Don't never buy no gas station from the gas station, bro.
My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Son.
Y hasta la puta madre banda tantos pins.
That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's... Alright, that's good. Okay, okay. Alright, okay, alright. Okay, that's good. That's good! It's enough slices!
Hey Mason, just don't go too high, alright man?
I won't!
Fine. Mason! Mason! Get down!
Does he know the method? No way he knows the method. No way he...
Being butthurt about how much a gallon of gas costs, I cornered the market in fuel-efficient cars. So if you would like a Prius, please hit me up. I'm about to show you a dirty secret of mine. I've got Priuses for everybody, every budget, all run good. Come and get one. Slide in my DMs if you're looking for a fuel.
Yo, watch this.
Some people eat snails. They must not like fast food.
Stop!
Bruh, you looking real sussy over there. Did you take the Fortnite card from me, bruh? I'ma need that Fortnite card back. But you're sussy and I'm coming to get it. I'ma block you though. Block.
Exit the crevice now. Okay. Okay. This is bad. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Pull up the ancient interface. Do you have it pulled up? Do you have it pulled up? Okay. Good. Now this is the order which you will need to click. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Golden rhombus. Green square. Green square. Green square. Green square. Green square.
It's 3:20 p.m.
Green
East Coast
square.
Time. Just checking.
Purple square. Green square. Green square. Okay. The gate should be unlocked now. Alright, this is the last step, but the most important. Check your email now. Okay, download that attachment. Now! Oldest trick in the book. Oldest trick in the book.
I got a slightly modified Geo Metro. This thing's got 3 speeds. Here, there, and gone. It's got the power of infinity and beyond.
Wow, this place is actually pretty groomy.